Hey guys, it's me, I'm back. But today we have a boil. So, I'm hot. Well, I'm sweating. Leno, can you give me some napkins? So anyways, I have some refreshing cucumbers. That's not going to be like this in a minute because Leno needs to get some. And then I have this big old bowl of deliciousness right here. I don't want to do it too far because I don't want to tip it over. But we did pray a while ago. Sorry, it was off camera, but I was trying to do everything and let everybody eat that, you know, while I got set up, whatever. So kudos to Leno. He helped me get set up. And so we have in here, we have some eggs. We have shrimp in my version of beloved sauce. It's not the pack that she's selling, but it is delicious. This is delicious. I still haven't tried her pack, but someday I will. So I'm gonna dig in, guys. So let me know if my camera's a little sideways. So, sausage. I never tried this sausage before. It's a different kind of sausage. That's good. That's good. Okay. Try to get some of these onions. I'm gonna have corn too. And it's very hot. I just got done making it not that long ago. So that's why I'm not scooping like too much. I'm digging my hands inside. Put some of this over here so I can get some sauce on my stuff. Dunk it. Dunk it. Dunk it. Dunk it. Dunk it. See? What the... What is that? See, it's probably a stupid cow. Get over here, Riley.
Cow.
Oh. Did you get him out?
Yes, ma'am. Right, what's up?
It was so good. It is really good. And I know I keep saying it's so good, so good, so good. That's because it's so good. The sauce, I didn't make it spicy because my mom likes it too, and so I'm going to save some for her. For I can give it to her when I see her this weekend.
Tomorrow. Good Friday.
We got corn. Hot, yummy. Ouch.
Get a better result? Yeah. Ginormous.
Because
I like how you cook the
sausage. What?
The sauce.
How I cooked it the other time?
This one.
Spicy?
It's still kind of spicy.
Piece of an egg.
Last time we made it,
It wasn't that good.
It was good last time. I liked it.
I messed it up last time. I didn't have everything.
If it wasn't last time, it was probably like some other time.
I haven't tried a potato yet. I know they're gonna be so good too. But what are you doing over there? Choking?
When I got my throat.
Try this little one. Some onion. Come on, honey. What?
Oh, I was like, guys, see a picture. I should be like, can you let me know when y'all are doing like a crawfish boil
Who what?
again? I sent a picture. Can I see a picture of the stuff? She's like, can y'all let me know when y'all doing a crawfish boil? I was like, it's not crawfish. I was like, but I'll let you know if we do a crawfish or a crab boil. She's like, I never had crab before. I was like,
Well, good. You missing all of it.
God, yes.
When you get a paycheck, buy you some. I'll cook it for you.
Me and her are gonna start working at the same time. But I was gonna see, it's because something Gabe told me to try to get thing at Walmart because Kroger full, like everybody's applying there. Like, nobody's applying at Kroger. I mean Walmart.
Yeah, because Walmart is terrible.
So they said try to get it there.
Walmart's not gonna work with you.
Not gonna work on it.
They'll say yeah and stuff like that, and then they'll turn around and it'll be a whole mess. Or you only get 1 day a week, if that. They do school people like that.
My friend Jacob Sundergren, he works at Kroger and he still gets paid good much. And I was like, oh, I'm trying to work at Kroger. And then
Well, yeah, because
everybody's
it's
like,
Kroger. You know? Okay.
Oh, thank you.
It was too much.
No, no.
Oh, you're welcome. And I put all this stuff in here, knowing darn well I wasn't gonna eat no more than a little bowl. But this is so good.
Oh, yeah. I got that.
Woo, guys. So comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below what you had for dinner. Okay, guys, I had 4 eggs. I had 3 potatoes in here, not that I ate. And I had some shrimp and sausages. So I only ate 1 corn, 1 potato. Excuse me. I had like 3 sausages, 3 pieces of 3 sausages, 3 pieces of shrimp. They were in a bag, and so some are big, some are small. I took the tails off of them because not everybody likes to dig tails, shrimp tails out of their teeth. So, and I still got a corn, 2 potatoes, 2 eggs, and a bunch of other stuff. I might eat one more of this because it's so delicious. What are you guys smacking over there? Smacking your egg? Oh, cracking your egg. That's why I put that thing over there, so you can roll it on there. Once again, guys, I want to shout out to all my subscribers. Y'all are amazing. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be as far as I am. Even though some of you guys are probably saying, oh, you're not even that far. You don't even have many subscribers. Hey, look. Guess what? If I get 1 subscriber a week, that's 3-4 subscribers in a month. Which, that's great. So, I'm not rushing it. I will get there. So if y'all just keep sharing, giving us a big thumbs up and all that stuff, let everybody know about me. I try to put a little bit of everything on here. I'm still working towards different stuff. I'm always up for, you know, new adventures and stuff like that. So if you know anything, or, you know, let me know down below. I got shrimp in my tooth. But yeah, I'm full, guys. It's because, so the reason why I'm so full and stuff like that too is because I didn't eat no dinner or nothing. What?
Throw them away because they got the sauce on it. I can't. Maybe one.
Yeah, it's just one of each.
It's two potatoes, 4 little shrimps, and
Put it in something and eat it tomorrow.
it's got the sauce on it. I don't think anyone likes sauce besides me and you.
That's what I said. Put it in a bag and you can eat it tomorrow.
So all of it in one bag?
Everything on your plate. Not a huge bag either.
I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna start doing like the whole Oh, the little brown foods. Yeah.
Hey, it be hot.
I'll be sweating.
Cool. And Mom, if you're watching this, I am not charged up yet. I am doing a mukbang. Okay, so let me know in the comments down below, how do you say it? How do you pronounce it? What's the right way? I don't want to say what's the right way, what's the wrong way, because there's people say mukbang, mukbang, mukbang.
There's no really there's no wrong way. It's just however you pronounce your word.
I'm gonna do this in Spanish session. My daughter's coming home. What'd you eat?
McDonald's.
Can I have your mac?
Hey guys, it's your girl, Anastasia. Her name is Anastasia, but everybody calls her Anastasia. It's something to drink. Why are you coming in here drinking my drink? This is what these guys do all the time. They don't even care what it is. That's why I always tell them, oh, nope, it's adult drink. You can't have it, especially her. You don't be drinking it. Thank you. So, Isaiah,
Stop!
I'm still doing this.
Can I have a little?
No.
No.
She doesn't want you to have any.
I'm asking her, and you're acting like it's yours.
Because you don't come over here and grabbed it up. You don't grab somebody's stuff. I'm trying to teach her that. You're old enough to know that. You dang nothing. Eat that. So anyways,
Oh, I want one of those eggs.
here.
Can I have it? I should have to
Yo, put it back down. Put it down. I already got you one. Put it down.
You did?
Put it down.
Where's
She said
it?
I just gotta clean it off.
Where's it?
Don't wipe it on your shirt. Guys, I'm sure you guys have kids that wipe everything on their shirts too. It says a one. Get out of here. No. Go. Go get you. Go. Go drink you some water. There's eggs in that bowl. Did y'all save her some eggs?
Why?
There's an egg in there? You gotta crack it. Roll it around. Yeah, crack it all over the place and take the shell off. So, let me see. I'm at 23 minutes. So, I don't know. Oh, guys, we got some baby shuck-ons. Lena, what in the world? What in the redneck toothpaste having rain boots with your...
You didn't even make any sense.
I know, that's the whole point.
Don't mind the words. That's what that said. I think it's for his TikToks, because he's gonna be TikTok famous, and so he puts me in some of his TikToks. Because me and him were supposed to do like one of those TikToks, but we haven't. Like Gabe got a TikTok. Seth got a TikTok. I'm the only one that don't got a TikTok. So
What's their TikTok?
I don't know how to do TikToks. I don't know.
Oh, good, because I'm not going to shout out their TikToks unless they shout out my YouTube. That is disgusting, Leno. Quit doing that.
What do you do?
Spit in on the floor.
Accidentally.
On purpose, accidentally.
Now he's going to clean it up. What?
Where's it at?
On the floor.
Oh, right here.
So, anyways, guys, I don't want to get kicked off of here or whatever. Hey, so about that, so why do people? They be like, oh, let me hurry up and get off here before it kicks me off. So like YouTube just like cuts them off or what?
It's like
You can only be on for so long.
Practice they're doing it on their phone, and their phone can only record so much at a time.
Oh, but are you sure? Because I do mine on my phone, and you grab my stuff one more time, and your butt is gonna be
Mommy, can I get a cup of it then?
hot. A cup of what?
A cup of that.
A cup of my soda? No.
No, not that. Of the other stuff.
What?
Of that. The other stuff of that.
This is my soda in here. What other stuff are you talking about?
That.
This? You're not making any sense.
Okay.
The other cup of that.
I told her, no, you're not having a cup of my soda. No, the other cup of that. Of what? You want the other cup of my cup? Because you're not getting no soda. Y'all help me, help me, help me. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do so.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yeah, and give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you don't know how to subscribe, let me tell you right now. All you have to do is look at the subscribe button. When it's red, you just put your finger on it, and then it'll say subscribed with the D. Then you see a little bell. I'm not savvy, so everything's not going to be popping up. One day it will be, as soon as I figure it out. But anyways, we're not going to worry about it. Let me move this out the way. And that's the end, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.